Good evening, everyone. So I'm actually in SS2. I'm here to try this bakery here, Koli.co. It's actually from Ipoh, and I read the article. It tell me that their signature is a almond croissant, and so happen I'm actually a croissant freak. I love croissants, especially if they are made with French butter. Okay, so let's go. This is actually the main road, SS2 here. The Koli.co for SS2 branch is located the same road with RHB Bank. There is RHB Bank. So you come all the way down here, there is the bakery, okay? You see, it even has a croissant as their deco. And their signature almond croissant even line up there. See? Even the advertisement also, they feature their almond croissant. So let's go. Let me just go and see like what they have other than almond croissant. So they make it easy for you. This is their signature. Kaya and butter. That's quite sweet. Vanilla flan. Maybe I will try the tiramisu. Strudels. Oh, wow, the strudels looks damn good, man. But well, maybe another time. I'll try a tiramisu later. And the croissant. Madeline. Oh, dark chocolate. Okay. Shortcake. Looks fancy, man. Oh, there's a comboloni also. It's business hours. This is something unique. You see the door? Going revolving door like a hotel. Okay, this is something unique. Nice. One person. Thank you. You all still have your croissant? Your signature almond croissant?
I think so.
Still got Okay. Let me just check. So these are what they have. What is it? Oh, Madeline, this is the okay. Well, I'm here at 8 o'clock, it closes at 10. So not many stuff you can see here.
Like this, because they
Okay.
use dark chocolate, Yeah. And then for the royal chocolate, they use, white chocolate. So compared to this, it will be a bit slightly sweet. Yeah.
Oh, so the white chocolate will be slightly sweeter lah.
And this the but everything also not bad. The peach not bad. And then of course the Nutella cake. Yeah.
Okay.
So because somehow a bit sweet too. You like this? Yeah.
Oh, so I'm not really that sweet too. So I think I'll just try the
you can go for
Belgian
the
shortcake
Belgian.
and also the peach tart lah.
So you
just
want this?
try lah. Having here.
Oh yeah, I need to scan that.
Oh, I need to scan. So right in front of me, that is the revolving door. Look at that croissant there. Even their calories are in gold. So look at the ambiance. Ambiance. Yes, traditional. So this is their menu. You can see there's so many pastries to choose from, and of course this is the signature. But they have a lot of others. Want to try anything, just get the stuff to recommend. Let's look at this. This is the Belgian shortcake, and this is the peach tart. Oh, actually, it really looks beautiful. Eaten together with the golden cutleries, really feels like 5 star. Presentation wise, I give it 5 out of 5 lah. So I was told that this is less sweeter than the royal white shortcake. Not really a sweet tooth myself, but I will make an exception once in a while for something like this sometimes, just to know what it tastes like actually. So let me start with this. I really don't know. So I guess here goes nothing. I'll start with the peach tart first. Got a small slice. Biscuit. Nice balance of biscuit, cream cheese, and the peach on top. I actually like the biscuit, the pastry actually. I like the pastry together with the cheese. Very nice. I think also very cute shortcake, and really short compared to the usual cake that we usually have. Oh no. I'm cutting it in one hand. Let's see whether I can get somewhere in between. Yep, that's going down. Oh, it just goes down just like that. Beautiful. Soft. Oops. Okay, let me go put on the plate before it falls to the table. Shortcake. I got some nuts on top of it. Belgian chocolate, amazing. Between ice cream and chocolate, I'm actually more of a chocolate person actually. I prefer chocolate more than ice cream, especially if it's Belgian. You use the Belgian dark chocolate. You can actually taste the richness of chocolate. And if you add it together with the nuts, you get the crunchiness as well as the chocolate. And Belgian chocolate, sometimes it can be bitter, but this is not. Now this is absolutely perfect. If you want something that is not too sweet, okay? If you want something that is not too sweet, you should get this. Okay, so I'm here at 11 o'clock, really more stuff. Wow, look at the strudels. A lot, man. This must be their best seller. Cookies? Anyone doing cookies? Sourdough. That's their signature almond croissant that I'm here for. So this is combo ni. Pavlova, okay. Tiramisu in a bottle. Interesting. So I finally managed to get my hands on the signature almond croissant. This is how it looks like. Honestly, it doesn't look at all like the picture outside. The picture outside you see just some bits of almond on top of it, but this is quite thick. See the almond here. And this is to be paired with the almond. Drink hot black coffee together with this, not iced black coffee with this. Alright. Next up, I see that this is very uncurious. What is it? So this is what I got. I'm curious what is it actually. I saw it on my first visit, but I don't know what is it. It's called Madeleine. So I chose to take the matcha flavored Madeleine. There are 3 flavors I think. This is Canal, Vanilla Canal. This is actually recommended by the staff. Her name is Win, so she recommended that this out of the 5 flavors I choose vanilla, since I don't like anything that's too sweet. Alright. Okay. Next up is this, the French butter croissant. If this is actually the base of this, so if this is good, then everything else is good, because they have many other croissants there. But let me start with the basics first. Alright. Start by cutting it down in the middle. How many layers here? So the more the layers, right, the more they actually roll the croissant before they actually bake it, but this is not many. Usually sometimes you can see the layers actually. So it depends on you. If you want more buttery, they will have more layers. But this looks good, it smells good as well. It's fluffy. See? Can't wait to taste it.
not that oily. I mean, butter, okay. It's quite light. It's a bit light. But light, but still okay. There are some places you can really not taste the butter at all. I don't know what it is. Coffee is good. Even give you a cookie. I don't know whether it's your tongue, supposed to tongue taste, but well, that's how I like to eat it. This is the Petaling, so let's try with it. This is the matcha Petaling. Okay, just show you what it looks like. Does it remind you of kueh, the sponge cake, right? Then on top they put like icing. It does, right? Like kueh balu, or kueh balu, then they put the icing on top. It does look like that to me. Next up is the chameleon. Look at the texture. It reminds me of my mom's banana cake inside the texture. See? Definitely a good snack to have. This is the Petaling, this is the chameleon vanilla Petaling. Alright? So I think this is going to be my lunch right now. Let's continue on to the signature apple croissant. Save the best for the last, right? The almond, right, is very thick, so you can really taste the almond and nuts. Not much of the bread. Okay? So maybe for those of you who love almond, you should come and try this. And if you are more of a croissant person, maybe a balance between the bread and the thickness of the almond will be better. Okay? So that it doesn't actually overpower the bread. Because the star here should be to me it should be the bread. And just a little bit sprinkled almond for a taste, a little bit of taste, right? Overall, however, this is something that is very nice to come to, okay? For your afternoon tea, dessert after lunch. I would really come back. Things here are amazing. You don't just come once, alright? So if you are around the corner, in the SS2, I'll leave the address and also the Google Maps down below, the description down below. Alright? It's in the holy.co in SS2, Petaling, Jaya, Selangor. This is Kenny here, and I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.